You searched how to buy shares of Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation, and this video shows the basic steps. Hycroft is a mining company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HYMC. This is educational content, not financial advice, so always research and consider risks before investing. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and here I use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before placing trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HYMC to find the listing. Select the result that explicitly matches Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation to open the stock page. On the stock page, check the company overview and the price chart to confirm you have the correct listing. Verify the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker HYMC before proceeding. To place an order, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review order type and any estimated fees, then confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the trade executes. A link to eToro is included in the description if you want to visit the platform.